Most mushrooms are grown indoors, so they're seasonless. Because mushrooms are grown in dirt, a helpful tip when it comes to cleaning them is to take a damp paper cloth and gently rub the outside. I'm prepping these mushrooms for a mushroom and asparagus pasta, a recipe from the City of Hope. Mushrooms are a great way to add flavor to a dish without adding sodium or cholesterol. I'm really excited for this dinner. Not only will this fill up my family's bellies, but with how nutritious mushrooms are, I know it'll be good for them too.